Bħal kull sena il-Eurovision jaqqad flimkien eluf ta' nies minn mal-Ewropa kollha u din is-sena f'Mosca. Kulħadd jiċċelebra il-Eurovision.
Xarabank, oe oe yo.
U f'atmosfera mill-isbaħ sibna minn kollox.
Welcome to the Euro Club in Moscow.
Jibdew jaslu l-ewwel kantanti u din is-sena fuq ir-red carpet. Kulħadd lest biex jiddeverti u jara kif jimpressjona. Tasal ukoll Chiara.
Aj, ma ċażuron nerġu jkunu miegħi kemm jieħdu pjaċir jarawni hekk kif tal-kamera.
Sinjuri Chiara.
Hello. Vera kontenta.
Għala.
Sitta snin ilu bdejt niċċajta ma' Dajen u ma' tim tiegħi u bdejt nidilhom xi darba noħodkom fuq red carpet. U għamilta illum għax kien hawn ir-red carpet u kulħadd jgħidilna biex nieħdu ritratti u vera sejtni Hollywood.
Love me tonight and I love you forever, Malta. I love you, Malta.
When I look into your eyes, it comes as no surprise. This is our night, fly to the top, baby. Yes, we can do it, just wait and see.
Inħabok, Malta.
Staqsejna lil xi kantanti x'kien l-ewwel xogħol tagħhom.
I think it was cleaning. I was about 15 or 16. Cleaning floors. But you know, you have to start from the scratch.
When I was 7 years old, 8 years old, 7 years old, I sold candles in the Greek Pascha. People get candles, they light the candles for Easter, yes. And I was selling candles.
What was your first job?
Oh, electrician.
Really?
Yeah.
Singer? Yes. I can't imagine my life without singing.
My first job was, I was actually a bodyguard for a German television crew.
Ġabunna drink, bil-qalb.
Kien l-ewwel xogħol tiegħek?
Waitress, ma morġ tajjeb. Mort vera ħażin. Għax li finkisser un weġġa ma kon. Hello Malta! I was visit Malta in my promo tour last year and I had a fantastic memory about this.
Daddy, let I'm gonna strike like thunder.
Are you ready? I wanna make you wonder. Rolling steady, I'm gonna make you shiver. My heart is burning up.
Xarabank, oe 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 oh yeah.
Everybody move your body, we are dancing our part.
U l-kantanti minn wieħed sal-10 kemm jaħsbu li huma sexy.
Oh my God!
12.
I don't know, what do you think?
I've never done that before. Oh, that's horrible.
Xarabank from Norway.
I'm in love with a fairy tale, even though it hurts.
You tell me the question I ask you.
How does it feel to be number one on the bookmakers list?
Okay, so let's start. How does it feel to be number one, like the most favorite at the moment, with your fairy tale song?
I'm very glad you asked that.
Thank you. It's a very original question.
The bookmakers, you can't trust them. But you know, it's not only a competition, it's a party. It's a European party.
You are always on my mind, always in my heart.
And I can hear you call my name on a mountain high.
F'dan il-welcome party kien hemm ukoll show b'artisti tal-Eurovision fosthom Dana International.
Shalom, Laila Tov. Laila Taiba.
Xarabank, oh eh oh, oh eh oh.
Ruslana,
Thank you, Malta. Love you.
u kif ukoll il-kantanta li fl-1956 kienet rebħet l-ewwel Eurovision, Lis Aissa.
I never have been to Malta, I never had time. So I'm looking forward to come and see you.
Shaban, oh, eh, oh, eh, oh, something like that.
Iktar performances ta' Chiara għedin il-Euro Club fej mal darbohra u Chiara tat il-performance ta' tagħmel iktar promotion. Chiara! This is Andorra calling. Hello, how are you?
Xarabank, oh, eh, oh, oh, eh, oh. Baby, you're so fine.
Dumb and beautiful or ugly and intelligent?
Dumb and beautiful. Ugly and intelligent. Between.
I don't know.
Be my Valentine. I call you on the phone, you speak in monotone. Don't wanna be alone because I'm crazy for baby, you're so fine. Be my Valentine.
Xarabank, oh eh oh eh oh.
We're Alex Swings, Oscar Swings from Germany.
Miss Kiss, bang, come let us sing.
Hello, my name is Johanna from Iceland, representing Is It True?
Chiara.
Iwa ħammorru poj, għajjej.
O ja sam raġun molim